So beautiful. Wow. The reason I'm videotaping these clouds, there was rotation in them. Absolutely amazing. Oh wow, it just keeps going back further and further too. Yeah, it's dropping down, of course it is. Yeah, right here's where it's dropping. I don't know if the camera's picking this up, but there's rotation in it. I wouldn't exactly say it's a funnel, of course not, but yeah, see how that's dropping down right there? I point to it right here. It's almost creepy. Still beautiful though. Wow. If any of you guys have me on Facebook, you'll notice the picture I put on there, a picture from Madison, Indiana. There was a funnel that dropped down and it didn't exactly touch the ground, but it came close. And I'm gonna tell you, this reminds me of that. Very much clear. Oh wow, way back that way too. So beautiful. Let's spin around and go this way. Oh wow, look at this. I'm gonna try not to trip as I'm backing up, but wow. See if I can get this up as high as I can go. There we go. So beautiful. Come around this way, small pan. Yep, looks like this video, guys, is nothing but of clouds. Storm clouds! I'm sorry if you guys don't like it, but you know what? Yeah, temperature did drop. Oh God, so did the humidity. You feel that? Humidity's don't feel as humid. And if you guys don't like this, I find it beautiful. God's creation right here. It's moving fast though, very fast. Hear a little bit of thunder up in there. Kind of get over here. Oh, so beautiful. Oh my gosh. See if I get further back this way. You know, the darn trees wasn't in the way. I get a perfect shot right over here. Let me kind of scoot back this way, guys. See if I get a good shot. I can't get a good shot of that. Okay. Beautiful out here. It's kind of creepy too in a way. It has that creepy feeling to it. That creepy look, but it's just beautiful. Let's get another shot. Okay, it's kind of clearing out now. But I tell you, a few seconds ago, that was very impressive. Very nice. I mean, yeah, it's clearing out back through this way too. Yeah, the storm's moving right above us. Oh, wow. Awesome. Where there you guys got it? Some clouds that was looking very impressive. There's rotation in the clouds, that's why I grabbed the camera. And yeah. So we're going to close it out with a little bit more clouds, and here comes that wind. Yeah. I try to keep the wind from hitting the camera, but I don't think I can. It ain't blowing that bad, but bad enough. Shoot, my goatee's blowing. It's kind of impressive over there too. Alright guys, I thought I'd bring you some storm clouds. Why not, right? Yeah, now that right there had my attention at first, but not anymore. Here's my weather gauge. It's beautiful over that way. Alright guys, have a great weekend. I'm out of here.